Optimism's decentralized exchange trading volume saw a large increase last week with a growth of over 30%. This surge was accompanied by major technological upgrades from the Optimism team, causing an increase in daily active users and transaction fees. Additionally, the network's total value locked also saw significant gains, making it the highest weekly growth in TVL among major chains. The native token, OP, also experienced a rise of 3% over the past week, along with bullish market indicators. This article provides a thorough review of Optimism's performance in the decentralized exchange market. It highlights that OP has seen an increase in trading volume of over 30% over the past week. Additionally, OP has implemented major technological upgrades in the past week, such as the launch of a new Ethereum Layer 2 solution called Base, as well as an effort to unify all Layer 2 solutions into a single entity called Superchain. As a result of these upgrades, the daily active users on the network tripled and the transaction fees paid on the network rose by 143%. Furthermore, the total value locked in the network grew by 8%, the highest weekly growth among all chains. In terms of market indicators, OP dropped 1.45% over the past 24 hours but is showing signs of further price growth. The RSI is in the bullish zone, the OBV has started an upward trajectory, and the MACD has indicated a bullish crossover. CryptoQuant Analyst Crazzy Blockk analyzed key on-chain metrics. These metrics suggested that short-term Bitcoin, BTC, holders accumulating and spending less could be instrumental in driving the next bull run for the King coin. Crazzy Block's analysis showed that short-term holders have been spending their profits. This has led to a surge in BTC accumulation and a reduction in selling pressure. A decrease in the purchasing power of consumers in January 2023 indicated that prices for goods and services went up. This caused short-term traders to sell their holdings. BTC's network profit-loss ratio also experienced a dip. This is usually associated with brief periods of capitulation by weak hands that could lead to a price recovery. This article examines the short-term effects of the U.S. Personal Consumption Expenditure Index increase on Bitcoin and other key on-chain metrics. According to the analysis of CryptoQuant Analyst Crazzy Blockk and Bbaco, short-term holders of BTC have been spending their profits. This has led to an increase in BTC accumulation, which could lead to a bull run if the short-term holders continue to accumulate and spend less. Further analysis of BTC's network profit-loss ratio showed that the weak hands had sold off their holdings, which could lead to a rebound in the price of BTC. The article highlights the importance of monitoring key on-chain metrics to identify potential opportunities in the crypto market. Mantle has submitted a proposal to create a $200 million fund dedicated to early-stage Web3 startups. This fund is intended to promote the adoption of Mantle's network among developers and dApps. The funds would be provided by BitDAO's treasury. A range of external venture partners would provide investment aimed at pre-seed, seed, and Series A round projects. Management fees would be industry standard, and the goal is to achieve a multiple on invested capital of 1.5x through the fund's lifecycle. This initiative is similar to Polygon's $100 million fund launched last year. This proposal appears to be well thought out with a clear goal of driving the adoption of Mantle's network. With $200 million in funding from BitDAO's treasury and strategic venture partners, the Mantle Eco Fund is looking to invest in Web3 startups to help them reach their pre-seed, seed and Series A rounds. The fund also expects to have a multiple on invested capital of 1.5x of cumulative performance through the fund's lifecycle. The management fees also appear to be in line with industry standards. This proposal is a great example of the crypto industry's efforts to drive adoption and innovation.